Welcome back friends. This is Rajesh Singh. You are watching IELTS tutorials. In these tutorial classes we will know the famous story The Panch Parmeshwar written by Munshi Premchand. This story is very interesting from beginning to end and conclusion of the story is also heart touching. So first of all, let's know the characters of Panch Parmeshwar. There are 5 characters. First, Juman Sheikh, a good friend but a lover of money. Second character, Algu Chaudhary, a true friend of Juman Sheikh. Third character, the old woman, a helpless old aunt of Juman Sheikh. And fourth character, Ramdhan Misra, one of the Panchej. Samju Sahu, a trader in the village who bought an ox from Algu. Now let's start the story. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were very good friends. Such good friends that they trusted each other deeply. When Juman went to Makkah, he left his house in charge of Algu, and whenever Algu went out of the village, Juman took care of his house. Juman had an old aunt who had no close relatives except Juman. Juman wanted to have her small property in his name. For that, he made false promises and took good care of her until the deed was done. Juman became quite indifferent afterwards. Even his wife ill-treated the poor old woman. She wasn't given enough food and was cursed day and night. One day, she decided not to live with Juman's family any longer. She asked Juman for some money so that she could live on her own, but Juman refused cruelly. The old woman became very upset and decided to take the matter to the panchayat. And now, the old woman went to every house in the village reciting her situation and even went to Algu's house for his help to support in front of the panchayat. Algu didn't want to ruin his friendship, but her words for justice kept ringing in his mind. In the evening, when the panchayat sat down for the matter, and the old woman told the panchayat that Juman had not kept his word, he and his wife ill-treated her. They did nothing that they promised, and now she asked the panchayat for justice. Ramdhan Misra, one of the panchayats, asked Juman to settle with his aunt or name his head panch. Juman noticed that most of the people present in the panchayat were obliged to him in one way and the other. He was sure that he would win the case. He thus decided to let his aunt choose the head punch, and the old man proposed Algu's name. Algu didn't want to get involved and tried to back out, but the old woman had faith in him and believed that God resides over the punch and he will serve justice. When Algu's nomination was accepted, that every moment he decided to keep his friendship aside and see both of them as equals. He asked Juman to make his statement in the panchayat. Juman wasn't worried and spoke peacefully and didn't think he did anything wrong with the old woman. He made a point that there was no mention of the allowance in the contract and added that he would accept whatever the panchayat would decide. Algu, who used to visit the courts frequently, knew a great deal about the law and he began to cross-examine. Juman wondered what had happened to his friend. Algu and was shocked when Algu announced the decisions in favor of the aunt. Juman could never imagine that his dear friend would go against him. However, Ramdhan Mishra and other members of the Panchayat openly praised Algu for the justice. These decisions broke the friendship between Algu and Juman. Juman all the time thought about Algu's betrayal and lived now only to take revenge. And he didn't have to wait long for his revenge. Samju Sahu becomes cruel towards an ox. And the previous year, Algu had bought a pair of beautiful long-horned oxen from Batesar. Unfortunately, a month after the Panchayat decisions, one of the oxen died. Juman was very happy when he heard about it. Since one ox was of no use to a farmer, Algu decided to sell the other ox. He sold it to Samju Sahu, who was a trader in the village. Samju bought the ox on the conditions that he would pay the price of the ox after a month. Algu wanted to get rid of ox, so he agreed to it. Normally, Samju used to make one trip to the market on his ox cart. He took good and ghee to the market and returned with salt and oil, which he sold to the villagers. With the new ox, he started making 3 to 4 trips to the market instead of one. Samju was very careless towards the animal, and he didn't take care of food and water for him, nor give him proper rest. At Algu's house, the ox had been looked after very well, but here the poor animal had to go through a life of torture. He had become so weak that his bones had stuck out. One day, Samju, while making his 4th trip to the market, had overloaded the cart. The poor ox was so tired after the long day that it could hardly lift its feet. Samju began to whip it and it began to run. After running for a yard, its strength failed and it collapsed to the ground. He couldn't leave his belongings unguarded, so he decided to spend the night on the cart. When he woke up in the morning, he found his money gone along with many tins of oil. He beat his head with sorrow and wept and even cursed the ox for his loss. Several months passed, but Samju didn't give Algu the price of the ox. According to Samju, Algu had cheated him and gave him a sick ox. Algu took the matter to the Panchayat. This time, Algu was to nominate his head punch. But Algu very politely let Samju select and he purposely proposed the name of Juman Sheikh. Algu was scared and feared that Juman might take his revenge on him. As soon as Juman was appointed Sarpanch, he felt a sense of responsibility. He decided that he would not stray even an inch from the truth. After long discussion, Juman announced the decisions. He said that Samju Sahu would have to pay the full payment for the ox because the ox was in good health when he had bought it. Algu shouted with joy, "God bless the serpent," and everyone praised the decisions made by Juman. In the end, Juman came to Algu and impressed his decisions of being fair as Juman had now learned that a punch is neither anybody's friend nor anybody's foe. He can see only justice. By this, all the misunderstandings were washed away in their tears, and both, Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh became nice friends again. Thank you friends for watching this video. See you again.